Hey guys, welcome to another interesting edition with Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. Trust you are doing well. Great. So, my name is Faith Abraham, Creative Director, Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. So, in today's class, I'm going to be showing us how to make this beaded fringe for our sleeves or for our dresses. Okay, beaded fringe, beaded sleeve. Just what you are seeing right now is what I'm going to be teaching us how to make. Okay, so we say big thank you to all our subscribers, and to you who is here to subscribe. We encourage you to please to and tap on the bell so you get notified when we drop new video. Okay, so these are some of the beads we have, to make beaded fringe or to make beads. This is a size 6 bead. It's a crystal bead. This is another size 6 bead. Is a crystal bead, and this is a size 4 bead. It's also a crystal bead. This is a seed bead or sand bead and is size 3. They all come in different colors and in different sizes. You can actually use anyone from what I just showed you right now to make your fringes or to embellish your clothes, your dresses, your sleeve area, like you already see on the thumbnail. Okay, so this is a needle. It's a beading needle, the longest for now. There are shorter ones, and this is fishing line. It's also called transparent thread, or is it rubber thread or transparent thread, but the real name for beaders is fishing line, and it is a 25 ml size. Okay, so the fishing line also come in different sizes. You have the 30, you have the 35, you have the 40, 45, 50, and so on. So you choose one that is most suitable for you. So I'll just go right now to insert my thread into my needle. Once again, I want to say a very big thank you to all you as subscribers out there. Without you, there is no us. Thank you for always coming back to watch our videos. And you who isn't subscribed yet, we encourage you that you please do, and please do not forget to tap on the bell so you get notified each time we drop new video. Thank you. So we are going to be embellishing this upper part of our armhole, the shoulder, upper shoulder, okay, the shoulder parts, okay, the upper part of the armhole, okay, on the seam, that seam where you attach the sleeve to the dress, that shoulder part. But in this dress, I've already attached or added a shoulder pad. So if you want me to make a video on how to attach a shoulder pad to your dress, kindly do a yes, say a yes on the comments area below. So we are going to be embellishing this area I'm showing you right now, from where the shoulder pad started from to the other end, from one end of the shoulder pad to the other end of the shoulder pad, just like you saw on the thumbnail or on the shorts video. That is the area we are going to be embellishing. Okay, so having said that, I'm going to first of all secure my thread to the seam area, that line, okay, where your sleeve and your shoulder meets, that line, that same line. That is where we are going to be attaching the fringe or the bead to. So I'm just going ahead right now to secure my thread to that same line. Okay, taking my shoulder pad into consideration, okay, because the shoulder pad is there already. If your shoulder pad is not there, you just go ahead to attach your bead, to the same line. But since I have a shoulder pad, I take the shoulder pad into consideration by also picking a portion of the pad, okay, and securing it to the thread. It actually makes it firmer. Okay, the mesh, the tool is very soft. So now that there is a shoulder pad, it gives me a form of more security, so to say. At least my tool or the net will not be torn. Okay, right. So I just go ahead to secure. I'm gonna secure it for like about 3, 4 to 5 times to be very sure that it is properly secured. Okay, right. So like I also said, the bead we are using, this very this emerald green you're seeing right now on the table, is a size 3 bead. So it comes in the pack I showed you earlier. Okay, you also have size 2. The seeds bead comes in size 1, size 2, and size 3. Okay, and they come in that pack. I actually got a pack of these at 1,500. Okay, it is the glass one, because you also have the one that is not glass. Okay, it is the glass seed bead, which is more appropriate for the project uh we need it for, because it gives it that glittering and shining effect. Okay, so I'm done securing my thread to the place where I want it to be. So I just go ahead right now, okay, to scoop my beads into my thread. So I just keep dipping my needle into the bead this way, and the bead will keep going through the needle down to my thread. You don't need to pick it one by one, just scoop. That is why we are using a long beading needle, okay, like you can see me do. Okay, so I'm done scooping this first one. I'm going to show you the measurements. Okay, please, if you are still watching this video up to this point, I encourage you to subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it. Your thumbs up makes it visible for others to see. Okay, so right here I have about 17.5 inches. 17.5 inches. This is what the measurement, the length I require for the first pick. Okay, don't forget we are picking from the down, not from the upper shoulder. We are picking from the down. Okay, from the down. So the first pick is 17.5 inches. So I will go over to the other end of the sleeve where the shoulder pad ended. Peradventure, you are not using a shoulder pad on your dress. Okay, you can just measure from what point to what point you want the beads to be. You can take a clue from the short video you saw at the beginning of this tutorial video to know from what part to what part you want your bead, your beaded fringe, or your beads to be. So I just, go to the other end, which is what you are saying here, and then I secure my bead to that part of the sleeve. Just the same way we secure at the beginning. You just tie basically. The normal word is you tie it, but you tie it with sense, invisibly, so that it is very neat. And then you don't pull so much, okay, so that the bead will not be too stiff. It is firm, but it's not so. I'm talking about the string now. You make it very firm, but it's not extremely firm to the point that your beads will not be properly relaxed. I'm sure you know how to work your way around things like this. Okay, if you do not, hence my explanation. You just, there is a way you will feel it. You are sure that it's not stiff. There is a way you will secure it tight. You are sure that your beads are well relaxed. So after securing, you are going to pass your needle now, just like you see me doing right now, through the beads. You are passing it through the beads. Let me bring it closer to your view. So you're passing it through the beads again. It is another form of securing the bead so that it does not break. The thread does not get broken or cut, like we will say in Nigeria English. Okay, so you keep passing your bead from that end where you secure, passing it forward. Okay, so an appreciable point where you think and you are sure and you know that your bead is properly secure, no shaking, like we will say in Nigeria English. Okay, so you pass your bead, your needle through the beads. It at that point also doubles the thread for you. Okay. So when you get to a particular point, you form you make a tie. Okay, I just pass my thread just like we do a normal tie. Sometimes there are no words to explain these things. Okay, so I tie it there again, you know. I just stylishly tie it there again. Okay, and then I will pass my needle through the beads again before cutting it off, cutting off the excess threads, thread rather. If there is a part of this video you do not understand, please kindly ask your question by dropping it on the comment section below. I am going to answer and attend to your concern. Hope you understand. Right. Please do not forget to subscribe for more videos, more tutorial videos, okay? Share this video, please. I beg in God's name. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you. I always do appreciate you. So we are done with this first one. I'm going to go ahead again to show you how to continue. So I just determine how much space I want to leave between the first bead and the next one. Okay, so I'm going to leave like about half of an inch. Okay, the spacing for me is going to be of half of an inch, that is 0.5. If you do not want to leave any spacing at all, it's fine. Okay, so but it also depends on the quantity of beads you have at your disposal, at the time. So for me, I'm going to leave a 0.5 inch in between, and I'm going to make sure that that 0.5 inch is consistent all through. Okay, so I am securing my thread to the fabric like we did the first one. Okay, so that's just how to go about it basically, and then you continue picking your beads. I secure it for like 3, 4 to 5 times because I don't want it to break or to cut or to get unraveled, from the client's outfits. I do not want my client to have wardrobe disaster on the day she's going to wear the dress. So I make sure that everything is properly done. So I'm going to go ahead right now to continue picking my beads. So for this one, I'm having a 15.5 inches. Okay. Remember the first one was 17.5 inches. Okay. So you're going to be reducing it by 2 inches. So I go back to the other side of the sleeve and I also leave a space of 0.5 inch. Okay. And then I attach my bead to the sleeve. So it is 0.5 at the front side, 0.5 at the back side. Please make sure that your spacing is consistent. Don't do 1.1 inch here, 7.5 inch here, 7.5 inch here, 1.25 inch here, it's not going to look professional and beautiful. Okay, so make sure that your spacing is consistent. So we just continue like this. Okay, so you continue reducing it by 2 inches. The first one was 17.5, the next one will be 15.5, the next one is 13.5, the next one is 11.5, the next one is 9.5, the next one is 7.5, and the last one that fell on the middle of the sleeve is 5.5. So you keep reducing it by 2 inches. It makes it very beautiful. Your spacing are the same. It's not as if the spacing between one and the spacing between the other are different. It makes it look very beautiful, very professional. It means you know what you are doing. It means you understand what you are doing. Okay, so that is what it means basically. If you want to reduce it by 1 inch, it's fine. If you want to reduce it by 1.5 inch, it's fine. If you want to reduce it by 2 inches, it's fine. But make sure that whatever you start with is what you are going to continue with. Hope you understand. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I beg you in God's name. We are trying to hit 3,000 subscribers. Please, I beg you, please kindly subscribe. Recommend this channel to others. Like, as you can see, there are a lot of things you have to learn from this channel: how to make clothes, how to make auto gele, how to make fascinators, how to make hearts, how to make turbans, how to make beads. You're learning beading right now. A lot of things, how to make crafts, a lot of things. Please kindly subscribe and recommend this channel. Thank you very much. We appreciate you. So we are done beading this part of the sleeve. So we are going to replicate the same on the other part. Thank you so very much, and see you on our next video. Bye.